Hey there, Ivan here from the Real Life, and just wanted to give you a quick update, your little fishing report out here today on the Rio Grande. Water looks great. Haven't seen many blue wings at all today, but the fishing's been good. It has been for the last few days. River's continuing to drop. It's about 3:30 right now, 3:30 CFS. Been catching some nice fish. A lot of mostly just blue wing stuff, maybe some tungsten mayfly nymphs, getting them down in that little bit of faster water. But I don't know, the fishing's been great, man. Been digging it. It's always my favorite time of year to fish. Chama River's been fishing pretty good too. I'd say it's like fair to poor below Abiquiu and pretty decent below Cooper's up at El Vado. And same thing with the Freestone stretch, getting up closer to town there in Chama. I'd be just fishing a little bit more in the afternoons when it warms up. Let's see, the Pecos has been fishing good, same kind of story. Blue wings, that I would wait till the afternoon as well, after like 10:30, 11, should be pretty good up there too. Give us a call here at the Real Life, and fishing's great, man. Take care.